Let's see some examples related to immediate annuity and annuity due. Okay, so first example is find the amount of an immediate annuity of rupees 15,000 per year payable for 12 years at 10% per annum. Okay, so find the amount. It means we have to find the value of A. Okay, of an immediate annuity of rupees 15,000. Okay, so 15,000 per year payable. Per year payable means it is a 15,000 is a periodic installment. That is X is a periodic installment. For 12 years, that is N is equal to 12 and I is equal to 10% per annum. That is I is equal to 10 upon 100. That is 0.1. Okay, so we have to find the amount, that is amount of annuity, that is A. Okay, so what is given? The X is equal to 15,000, R is equal to 10 upon 100, sorry, I is equal to 10 upon 100, that is 0.1. Then N is equal to 12. So use the formula of amount. A is equal to X upon I in bracket 1 plus I bracket raised to N minus 1. So this is the formula of annuity. So X is a 15,000 upon I means 0.1 and 1 plus I, that is 1 plus I means 0.1 bracket raised to N means 12 minus 1. Okay, so we get the value, that is 15,000 in bracket 3.1384 minus 1. Okay, so final answer is 3,20,764.26. So this is the amount. Okay, let's see next example. A company wishes to set aside a certain sum at the end of each year to create a sinking fund. If it should amount to 10 lakhs in 10 years at 12% per annum, find the sum to be set aside each year. Okay, so what we have given, a company wishes to set aside certain sum at the end of each year to create a sinking fund. If it should amount to 10 lakhs in 10 years. ओके, सो उन्होंने इंस्टॉलमेंट कैसे कर दी? 10 lakhs उन्हें क्या करना है? अमाउंट भरनी है. ओके, सो अमाउंट ए इज इक्वल टू 10 lakh. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी इंस्टॉलमेंट्स? 10. दैट इज एन इज इक्वल टू 10. Rate of interest is 12% per annum, that is 12 upon 100, that is 0.12. Okay, so we have to find the sum to be set aside each year. ईच ईयर हमें कितनी अमाउंट पे करनी है, इसका मतलब हमें पीरियोडिक इंस्टॉलमेंट फाइंड आउट करनी है. दैट इज एक्स वी हैव टू फाइंड. ओके, सो राइट द फॉर्मूला एंड सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू. दैट इज ए इज सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. ए इज अ 10 lakh. N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. I is equal to 0.12. Okay, 12 upon 100, that is 0.12. Use the formula amount, that is A is equal to X upon I in bracket 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Okay, so X upon A is given, that is the 10 lakh. X upon I is 0.12. 1 plus I 0.12. N is 10 minus 1. So shift 0.12 here. So he become multiply, that is 10 lakh multiplied by 0.12 is equal to X into 1 plus 0.12, that is 1.12. Bracket is to 10 minus 1. Okay, so we get the calculation that 1,20,000 is equal to 2.1058 into X. So to find the value of X, shift the 2.1058 to the left hand side. Okay, so after shifting, he become at the division place, that is upon 1,20,000 upon 2.1058 is equal to X. So we get the value of X is equal to 56,985.47. So this is the periodic installment, that is हर साल उसको इतनी इतनी इंस्टॉलमेंट क्या करनी पड़ेगी, पे करनी पड़ेगी. Okay. Next example is, let's see next example. Sewing machines worth ₹5,000. 5,000 उसकी क्या है, अमाउंट है, मतलब प्रिंसिपल है. सीविंग मशीन की जो प्राइस है वो 5,000 है. इसका मतलब वो प्रेजेंट वैल्यू हो गई, इसका मतलब वो पी हो गए. तो पी इज इक्वल टू 5,000. इज परचेस्ड ऑन इंस्टॉलमेंट बेसिस पे वो परचेस कर रहा है अंडर 5 इक्वल एनुअल इंस्टॉलमेंट्स. 5 इक्वल एनुअल इंस्टॉलमेंट्स इज एन इज इक्वल टू 5, including compound interest at 10%, that is I is equal to 10/100, that is 0.1. So find the amount of installments. Okay, so what is given, that is P is equal to 5,000, N is equal to 5 and I is equal to 0.1. Okay, so here amount is not given and the value of amount is not necessary to find out, so don't use the formula of A. So here use the formula of P, that is P is equal to x upon I, 1 minus 1 plus I raised to minus n. Okay, then put the value, that is 5,000 is equal to x, we have to find I is equal to 0.1, 1 minus 1 plus I, that is 1 plus 0.1, or bracket raised to minus 5, that is 5,000 multiplied by 0.1 is equal to x, 1 minus 1 plus 0.1, that is 1.1 raised to minus 5, that is 5,000 multiplied by 0.1 is equal to 500 is equal to x into bracket 1 minus 0.6209. Okay, so after shifting, 500 is equal to x multiplied by 0.3790. So x is equal to 0.3790 divided by 500. So we get the value, that is 1319.26. Okay, so this is the value of x, that is the इतनी अमाउंट उसको इंस्टॉलमेंट में हर 5 ईयर्स के लिए भरनी पड़ेगी, 1319 रुपीज ईच इंस्टॉलमेंट उसको पे करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. What is the purchase price of a perpetuity of ₹1,500 per year at 10% per annum? A purchase price of perpetuity means the present value of the perpetuity P, means present value. Purchase price means present value. Okay, value of the perpetuity P. So what is the, means we have to find the present value P of ₹15,000, means installments itni x is equal to 1,500 per year at 10% per annum, that is I is equal to 0.1, 10/100, that is 0.1. So use the formula of P. So what is given, given part is x is equal to 1,500, then I is equal to 10/100, that is 0.1, and we have to find P. So use the formula, that is P is equal to, n is not given, so don't use the previous formula which we have used for the last example. So don't use, only here use the P is equal to x upon I, that is 1,500 upon 0.1, that is equal to 15,000. Okay. Next is ULIP is a scheme of Unit Trust of India. Okay, so this is the scheme है, scheme का नाम है ये ULIP is a scheme of Unit Trust of India under which a person can deposit up to ₹10,000 per year. पर डिपॉजिट करता है वो 10,000 पर ईयर के लिए वो क्या करता है, डिपॉजिट करता है। मतलब पर ईयर मतलब हर साल वो उतनी रकम अमाउंट पे करता है। इसका मतलब वो क्या हो गया, एक्स की वैल्यू हो गई, पीरियोडिक इंस्टॉलमेंट। द स्टेटस ऑफ यूएलपी इज 10 years or 15 years. Okay, a person takes membership of ULIP by paying ₹10,000. अब वो मेंबरशिप हमें मिलती है कब, अगर हम 10,000 पे करते तो उस टाइम हमें क्या मिलती है, मेंबरशिप मिलती है। एज्यूमिंग द रेट ऑफ कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट टू बी 12%, फाइंड द अमाउंट ही विल रिसीव एट द एंड ऑफ 10 years. Okay, so 12% means I is equal to 0.12 and end of 10 years means N is equal to 10. So हमें find the amount, that is A find out करना है। तो what is given, so X is equal to 10,000 is given, then N is equal to 10 is given and I is equal to 0.12. So we have to find the amount. So use the formula of amount, that is A is equal to X upon I in bracket 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Substitute the value, that is X is equal to 10,000 upon 0.12, 1 plus I, that is 1 plus 0.12 raised to N, that is 10 minus 1. Okay, so 10,000 upon 0.12 is equal to 1.12 bracket raised to 10 minus 1. Okay, so we get the answer, that is 83,333 in bracket 3.1058 minus 1. So we get the answer, that is 1,75,483. So this is the final answer of amount. Okay, now let's see one more examples. The present value of annuity of ₹3600 is per year is ₹12,000 and its amount at the same rate for the same period is ₹15,000. Find the rate of interest. Means present value of an annuity of ₹3,600. It means present value means P is equal to of an annuity of per year is ₹12,000. It means present value is equal to 12,000. 3,600 is a installment per year के लिए हम वो पे कर रहे हैं। इसका मतलब X is equal to 3,600 and its amount, that is A is 15,000. Okay, so we have to find the rate of interest, that is I. Okay, so a relation between the amount, principal value and installment, that is X is equal to 1 upon P minus 1 upon A is equal to I upon X, because N is not given. So use the formula those in which N is not involved. Okay, so जिस फॉर्मूले में N इन्वॉल्व नहीं है वो फॉर्मूला यूज करना है हमें, क्योंकि N हमें दिया भी नहीं है और कैलकुलेट भी नहीं करना है, तो इसलिए 1 अपॉन P माइनस 1 अपॉन A इज इक्वल टू I अपॉन X. वन अपॉन P minus 1 upon A is equal to I upon X. So substitute the value, that is 1 upon 12,000 minus 1 upon A means 15,000. I means we have to find the I and X is equal to 3,600. Okay, so here we get the 1,000 multiply by 1,000, 1,000 is common, so 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15 is equal to I upon 3,600. Okay, so 0 0 on both sides we get cancelled, that is 1 upon 10 in bracket 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon 36. So by taking the LCM we can find 1 upon 10 is equal to 15 minus 12 upon 15 to the 30, 15 minus 15, 16, 17, 18. 180 LCM. that is 1 upon 36. Okay, so 15 minus 12, that is a 3 upon 180 is equal to I upon 36. Okay, so 3 upon 1800 multiplied by 36 is equal to I. So 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 2 1s are 2, 2 50s are 100. That is 3 upon 50 is equal to I. So we get the value of I is equal to 50 zeros are 0. That is 3 upon, that is 6 upon 100. Sorry, 6 upon 100, that is अगर मल्टीप्लाई हम 2 करेंगे तो वो हमें मिलेगा 6 अपॉन 100, दैट इज 6%. ये आई की वैल्यू हो गई. आई इज इक्वल टू 6% पर एनम. Okay. Next example is a person deposit rupees 20,000 in a bank at 12% per annum to give a scholarship to needy students every year. Find the amount of yearly scholarships. Okay. So person deposit rupees 20,000 in a bank. डिपॉजिट करता है वो 20,000. इसका मतलब वो क्या हो गई, प्रेजेंट वैल्यू हो गई एट 15%. इट मीन्स आई इज इक्वल टू 15. टू नीड स्टूडेंट एवरी ईयर फाइंड द अमाउंट. सो हमें ए फाइंड आउट करना है, द अमाउंट ऑफ ईयरली स्कॉलरशिप. ईयरली मतलब हमें एक्स फाइंड आउट करना है कि हर साल वो कितनी इंस्टॉलमेंट भरता है. इसका मतलब हमें एक्स फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो पी इज इक्वल टू, हियर वी हैव टू यूज. सो व्हाट इज गिवन, P is equal to 20,000, 15%, that is I is equal to 15%, and we have to find X. So use the formula in which contain the P, I and X. So here formula is P is equal to X upon I. So 20,000 is equal to X upon I is equal to 0.15. Okay, so 20,000 multiplied by 0.15 is equal to X. So we get that X is equal to 3,000. Okay, so we get the answer, that is X is equal to 3,000. Okay. So next example is find the amount of an annuity of rupees 400 payable quarterly for 3 years at 16%. Find the amount of an annuity, that is maybe we have to find A, of rupees 4,000 payable quarterly. 400 payable quarterly, it means give periodic installment X is equal to 400 and for 3 years. 3 years के लिए quarterly मतलब उसके total installment 4 3 जा 12 आएंगे. N is equal to 12 installment at 16% per annum. So period is 1 quarter. So X is equal to 400. So number of installment is equal to 4 3 जा 12 आएगा. और जो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट दिया है वो 16, तो 16 पर एन्यूम दिया है, तो क्वार्टरली पे कर रहा है इसलिए डिवाइडेड बाय क्या होगा 4. सो 16 अपॉन 4 दैट इज 4% पर क्वार्टरली होगा, लेकिन वो डिवाइडेड बाय 100, इसका मतलब 0.04. ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ इंस्टॉलमेंट इज इक्वल टू 3 into 4 is equal to 12. लेट्स सी हियर A is equal to 400. Sorry, A we have to find. X is equal to periodic installment is 400. Quarterly for 3 years. Quarterly for 3 years, it means N is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12 installments हो गए. अब I is equal to दिया है 16% per annum. इसका मतलब 16 upon 4 is equal to 4 हो गया रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पर क्वार्टरली. ओके, 4%, दैट इज आई इज इक्वल टू 4 अपॉन 100, दैट इज 0.04. ये आई की वैल्यू हो गई. तो हमें ए दी है, ए फाइंड आउट करना है, एक्स दिया है, आई दिया है, तो ये एन भी पता है. तो फॉर्मूला हमें यूज करना है एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स अपॉन आई 1 प्लस आई रेज टू एन माइनस 1. So X value 400 upon I 0.04, that is 1 plus 0.04 raised to, what is the value of N? N is equal to 12. So 12 minus 1. So 400 multiplied by 100 upon 4, that is 1 plus, that is 1.04 raised to 12 minus 1, that is 100 into 100. 4 1s are 4, 4 0s are 0, that is 100 into 100. Yes, 40 1 2 sorry 40 1 2 3 4, that is 10,000 is equal to 1.04 raised to 12 minus 1. So we get the answer, that is 10,000 multiplied by 1.60103 minus 1. Okay, so 10,000 multiplied by 0.60103, that is we get the answer, that is 6,010 rupees. So this is the final answer. Okay, so in next lecture we have seen that the equated monthly installment, that is EMI, or we also we will see some examples related to EMI in next lecture. Okay.